Namaste students. I am Professor Dr. Pramod K. Raghav, Pro Vice Chancellor of Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur and Dean, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. I welcome you all. मैं आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं नेशंस फर्स्ट स्टेट प्राइवेट वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University which is developing, which is making NBCD certified graduates, nation building, community development. And students, you were students till now, but from today onwards, you are JVNs, and I will say new JVNs. JVNs are Jayoti Vidyapeethians, and you should feel proud that you are now the part and parcel, an integrated part till your academic journey of nation's first state private women's university. You should feel proud that you are in a campus which is safe and secure, where you get all the facilities like home, and you get gurus which put you on the right track. And students, you should feel proud one more time because you are in a campus which is mobile free. Mobile free campus means you are more interactive. You have the time to discuss the things in person with your friends, with your classmates. So these are some of the facts on which you should feel proud. Another thing, you are in a university which is empowering the women through education, providing them employment, creating a sense of help-it among them, telling them what is self-defense, and so on, telling them how to save environment, telling them how to manage the waste, and the list is long. So start feeling proud from today. And now I'm taking you as a Dean of Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science towards the journey of Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. And remember one more thing before I go ahead, that the university is full with the traditions. And remember, when you meet someone, when you will come to the campus in very near future, you greet your peers, you greet your gurus with joining both hands and the say words, Namaste. It is our recognition. We are known by our culture, the Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Okay, so now let me share with you the details of the faculty of which you are the students, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. So take just a minute and here you go. So welcome to Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, as I said before, and to the Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science was established in 2008, and this is your faculty flag of your faculty. It is of maroon color, and I welcome you all in the session 2020-21. This faculty is NAAC accredited and ICAR accreditation is awaited. You have one chair in your faculty, that is University Lal Bahadur Shastri chair, and your chair professor is Professor Dr. D.S. Rathore. I myself is Professor and Dean of your faculty, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, and you have one director in the faculty, Professor Dr. B.D. Yadav. So this was a little bit about this faculty. You have several classrooms in your faculty, and all classrooms are ICT enabled, and especially for graduating students, for the students of BSc Honors Agriculture, we have agriculture farm fields of 30 hectares area has been dedicated for the forms and form divisions. We have 16 laboratories. Your faculty has 4 pilot plants. Pilot plants, the plants where you understand the processes, where you understand the techniques which you study in your classrooms, and you have other facilities available in your faculty. So if I talk about the farms, the university has in this 30 hectares farm, we have separate farms here. You will have the farms of agronomy, entomology, soil science, plant pathology, and agriculturing, and so on. इसी तरह से आपके पास you have 16 laboratories. Can you believe 16 laboratories you have, and those laboratories are all labs we have here in this faculty. Meteorology lab, agronomy lab, extension and communication lab, economics, agriculture economics lab, genetics and plant breeding lab, food science and technology lab, and so on. You have demo poultry farm here. We have mini orchards here. We have dairy here. So all the laboratories we have, and students, we have 4 pilot plants, and now you will see a glimpse of these pilot plants. Pilot plants की एक आप झलक देख सकते हैं. ये मिल्क प्रोसेसिंग पायलट प्लांट है, जहां पूरा पास्चराइज मिल्क कैसे बनता है ये सीख सकते हैं. आइसक्रीम कैसे बनती है ये सीख सकते हैं. बेकरी के प्लांट्स हैं, फूड डिहाइड्रेशन प्लांट्स हैं, एंड ये प्लांट्स बोथ द स्ट्रीम्स के बच्चों के काम आते हैं. चाहे वो बीएससी एग्रीकल्चर ऑनर्स का स्टूडेंट है, चाहे वो फूड बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का स्टूडेंट है, चाहे वो फूड टेक्नोलॉजी का स्टूडेंट है. दे ऑल गो एंड डू द एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हियर. इसके अलावा भी विश्वविद्यालय के अंदर, इस फैकल्टी के अंदर, फैकल्टी ऑफ ज्योमेट्री साइंस के अंदर और भी बहुत कुछ चीजें हैं. कंपोस्ट आपको पिट्स देखने को मिलेंगी, वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग यूनिट भी आपको यहाँ देखने को मिलेगी, बायोगैस प्लांट भी मिलेगा. मीन्स दिस इज द फैकल्टी विच इज ह्यूज. एक बहुत बड़ी फैकल्टी है, बहुत सारे काम ये करती है विश्वविद्यालय के अंदर, और एक तरह से पूरे विश्वविद्यालय के वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट का लगभग सारा कार्य बाहर इसी फैकल्टी के द्वारा देखा जाता है. और भी बहुत सारी चीजें, जितना भी ग्रीनरी है और भी बाकी चीजें मैं बताऊं आपको. पशु हैं जो आपके काम आते हैं, मिल्किंग एनिमल्स हैं, वो सब की देखभाल भी सब इसी फैकल्टी के जिम्मे. और इन सब चीजों से आप सीखते हैं, तो आपको बहुत कुछ देखने को मिलेगा जब आप यहाँ लाइव रूप से आएंगे पेंडेमिक ओवर होने के बाद. और ये आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कुछ प्लांट्स की झलक, किस तरह से यहाँ विभिन्न प्रदेशों से आई महिलाएं प्रशिक्षण ले रही हैं, और किस तरह से ये मशीनरीज आपको दिखाई गई हैं. फूड डिहाइड्रेशन प्लांट यहाँ पर है, और ये बेकरी प्लांट्स आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. इसी तरह से हमारे पास बहुत फॉर्म डिविजन्स भी हैं, उनकी भी झलक हम दिखाएंगे. पॉली हाउस भी है, उसकी भी झलक आपको देखने को मिलेगी. So let us move now further. A little bit about the library details. In library details, we have a library, huge library, which has more than 4,000 books. Textbooks हैं, reference books हैं, journals हैं, e-journals हैं, ऐसे journals which you can browse on your computer, like Delnet है, कृषि कोश है, rare books भी देखने को मिलेंगी, e-books भी हैं. और जो सबसे बड़ा रिसोर्स, the biggest resource which we are using nowadays, that is our e-portal, digital version 2, where you can just browse and can see your notes, you can see your videos of classes, and you can see the recommended material. Lot of stuff you will find on our digital version 2, which is e-portal, which you will use for the study, which you will use for giving your exams and all during this pandemic, during this COVID-19 period. And next is the little bit about the course detail. अगर courses की बात करें बच्चों, जिसको हम subjects कहते हैं, उसका नया नाम courses है. तो बहुत सारे courses हैं यहाँ पर आपके there are more than 2,000 courses in all the programs, and they have been divided in various categories. And these courses are like employability courses हैं, यूनिवर्सिटी मिशन कोर्सेज हैं, यूनिवर्सिटी कंपल्सरी कोर्सेज हैं, वैल्यू एडेड कोर्सेज हैं, कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटीज हैं और एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज हैं. तो ये सब आपको डिफरेंट कोर्सेज यहाँ पर पढ़ने पड़ेंगे अपने कोर कोर्सेज के साथ. अपने जो 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 आपके डिग्री प्रोग्राम्स, मैं कहूँ बीएससी एग्रीकल्चर ऑनर्स, बीटेक फूड एंड बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, बीएससी बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, बीएससी फूड एंड न्यूट्रिशन, एमएससी न्यूट्रिशन एंड डायटेटिक्स, उनके सबके कोर कोर्सेज के अलावा आपको ये कोर्सेज भी यहाँ पर पढ़ाए जाते हैं, जिससे कि आप एक अच्छे ह्यूमन बीइंग, you can become a good human being. So these courses are, essential for you, which are mission courses and compulsory courses. And except that you have to involve in the community development activities also. So the mission courses are there: human rights and law, self-defense, help aid, yoga and meditation, gender sensitization, and university compulsory courses are there, so that you can develop your yourself really good. Like you may be proficient in English language, you may understand the computers, and you can be sensitive about the environment. So for that you have to study environmental science and disaster management and cyber security, and a lot of other activities are there. And our community development activities are really good. You go in the villages, contact with the farmers, and you educate them, and you develop some e-food GAN tickets, and you are a Kisan Mitra also, and you develop some tickets for helping the farmers, and so forth, so on. Students, I would like to tell you here also that there are some extracurricular activities, sport activities are there, cultural activities are there, social activities are there. So you have, it's an interesting, I should say, basket, which is having a lot of things for you, and so that you may become a really, really good graduate with all the qualities inside you. So as you move ahead with us in your academic journey, you will learn more. You will learn more about other orientation videos, about these in other orientation videos or through other orientation videos. Next is, your faculty does a lot of collaborations. We do collaborations with industries. We do collaborations with research institutions. We do collaboration with, corporate houses, and lot of collaborations we do. And we do the collaborative activities. We do the workshop, we do training, we run knowledge projects and knowledge exchange. You go there and take a look in the industry, and industrial visits are there, and those people come here and they share their knowledge with you. So all these activities are done in your faculty, because the good thing is that in your faculty, in the program like BSc Honors Agriculture and Food and Biotechnology, lot of experiments are there. These are both are experimental based program, so that you can learn by doing. So that's why it has a lot of scope of collaborations and collaborative activities. And university also organize the conferences every year. Your faculty also organize a conference, and in past 3-4 conferences have been organized by your faculty. Guest lectures are there, and time to time short-term trainings and a one-day workshop are also organized. And these are some of the glimpses of some of the activities. University runs one Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, and BSc Honors Agriculture student, they do go for RAWE, Rural Agriculture Work Experience, in their final year. So these are some of the glimpses of those activities. You can see how the students are doing harvesting. They are making, use of some type of insect pesticides, and the students are interacting with the household and in the villages. So you can see a glimpse of the activities. Here another glimpse of the activities, community development activities, how the students are interacting with the farmers. You can see here how the students are doing some kind of shouting in the village, doing one interview. So these are extracurricular activities. When you will come here, you will play the games. The Kho-Kho game is there, and the volleyball game is there, and these are some other activities where the students are performing on the culture in the cultural activities, and there is or other activities also, like a blood donation camp in which the student participate, faculty member participate. Means the overall development of your personality takes place through all these different activities. And then again the glimpses of few activities. This is one of the farmers training is being organized, in which a student also participate time to time. And these are some glimpses of the conferences 2018. And these are the glimpses of some delegation is in the university, women delegation in the university, and they are being trained. So you can see very well they are in the field taking a look of our biogas plant, and taking a look of our ice cream and milk processing plant, and in the field of the university campus. This is the view of the training. And you have a herbal garden also here. I forgot to tell you, in the university campus, in which we grow the medicinal plants. So when your subject of the medicinal plants will come, you will see the live medicinal plants here. You will understand what are the benefits of these medicinal plants and how you can utilize them, how you can utilize their various parts. And being a graduate of BSc Honors Agriculture, you also learn how to grow them, how to take care of them. So this you understand in the medicinal, in our herbal garden. Practically, you go and see and touch those plants and see and understand and recognize them, and learn their package of practices, how they are grown. And this is some of the produce which we grow in our campus. You can see the amla, you can see some of the lemons. So all this stuff you can see. And these are the some view of the poly house, where you are seeing the crop is being grown, and you can see at the bottom you can see some of the organic farming is being done in the trays, where you can see that's how, and you will be involved in all those activities. Isn't it interesting? Yes, it is really interesting when you go and do these activities, and you saw that the seed you have sown has grown up and has come up in form of crop. So that those all the activities you will also do in the university campus. And these are some of the activities you do in our pilot plants, you do in our laboratories. See, the ice cream is being made, ice cream is coming out from the ice cream machine, and in the bakery the cookies have been made, and these strawberries are have been dipped in the chocolate or something, and these toffees have been made by the students of food technology, by the student of food and biotechnology, by the student of nutrition and dietetics. So all these activities you will do in our laboratories. Next is, see, the biotechnology lab. The biotechnology lab is there, and these all are the activities of the biotechnology courses. In your biotechnology courses, our PG students as well as our UG students, they learn all these techniques, and after learning these techniques, they further choose their area of specialization. So this is a glimpse of our biotechnology plant tissue culture lab, or biotechnology plant biotechnology lab. And you can see when the student are on different visits, students are seeing the agrometeorology center, students are seeing a warehouse, students are seeing a rice mill, students are seeing a exhibition you can see here. So it's a very good program actually. Widgets are there, trainings are there, projects are there, the community development activities are there, and face-to-face meeting with your, in case of BSc Honors Agriculture, with the farmers, in case of FBT, with the clients and the industrialists. So you're gonna get a lot of knowledge, and we do a lot of work, let me tell you, and you'll be busy here, and that's good for you. And at the end, don't forget the father of green revolution is for a student of BSc Honors Agriculture, as well as for the students of food and biotechnology. Because if food will not be grown, what would you process? If food will not be grown, what biotechnology will you apply? And we should be thankful to Mr. M.S. Swaminathan sir, because he is the backbone of the green revolution in India, which took place. And he said very clearly, I'm reading it for all of you, that agriculture is the backbone of the livelihood security system of nearly 700 million people in the country, and we need to build our food security on the foundation of homegrown food. And what we are doing today, we are growing. Homegrown food means we are not, importing any spices, any type of rice or wheat or anything. एक time था, there was a time when we were dependent on foreign countries for our food grains, but now we do export. So that is the result of the green revolution, and father of that green revolution is M.S. Swaminathan. And always remember in your life, never forget your peers. अपने बड़ों को, गुरुजनों को कभी नहीं भूलना चाहिए. इसी के साथ मैं इस ओरिएंटेशन को बंद करता हूं. I am giving rest to my words for today's orientation. This was your first orientation, and now after this you will see more videos about the details of all the things which I told in this orientation. Thank you. Namaste.